Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Open Goodnotes and go to Settings to enable handwriting conversion for your device. Tap General, then Handwriting to choose the language you write in. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version for best performance. Select your preferred handwriting recognition language from the list in Settings. Restart Goodnotes after changing the language to ensure recognition loads correctly. These steps prepare the app to convert your handwriting into editable type text. Choose the lasso tool from the toolbar to select your handwritten notes precisely. Draw a loop around the handwriting you want converted, making sure all strokes are enclosed. After selection, tap the selection to open the contextual menu with Convert options. Tap Convert, then select Convert to Text to transform the handwriting into typed words. Edit the converted text inline by tapping to place the cursor and make corrections. You can also copy the converted text to paste into other apps. After conversion, tap the text to select it and use Copy or Share to export. You can also export the whole page as text from the Share menu in Goodnotes. Improve recognition by writing with clear letter shapes and spacing between words on the page. If accuracy lags, change the language or add custom words in Settings to help recognition. For long passages, convert in small sections using the lasso tool to reduce errors. Regularly update Goodnotes to benefit from recognition improvements and bug fixes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.